Now you're going to set two goals for this project, the process goal and then the outcome goal. A goal is very important because if you have a goal, then there's something that you're trying to achieve, something you're trying to accomplish. A goal should be something that will make you feel good, something that if you do this goal, if you do this process, then at the end of it, you'll feel proud of what you've accomplished. So set a process goal. In other words, what kind of thing are you going to need to actually do to make this project be successful? And process goals are easy. They can usually be kind of obvious. They can be, for instance, fill out the paperwork for planning, which is, I can't spell planning today, but this is the pre-production process that you're working on right now. This paperwork you're working on now is the first part of this. It could be work together with group well. Could be a good process goal, the process you'll need to go through. It could be do a good job of interviewing. When you interview someone for a journalistic project, if you do a good interview, then the project will come out better. So what kinds of processes, things are you going to do to make this project be successful? And another word about goals, it's perfectly normal to start off with one set of goals for a project and for those goals to evolve, for those goals to change. You don't always end up doing exactly what you set out to do, so a goal is just the roadmap for getting started. It's what you're going to do at the beginning and what it is you think you'll be proud of if you actually accomplish. A process goal is an action. What will you specifically do to make this project successful?